Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll show you how to make this flower choker. Now I'll show you how I make my flower choker. For flower choker I'll be using this Liverpool stretchy fabric which looks like that. And this button is 48 centimeters long and 5 centimeters wide. This is the right side. I'm folding this button in half like that, so the right side is on outside. I'm using needle and thread and I'm gathering both edges together with up and down stitch like that, all along both edges. So I'm gathering both edges together. Evening out all of the gathering to approximately 20 centimeter length, and it looks like that. Next I'm folding this corner inside like that and I'm sewing that corner to other edge. Next I'm rolling this gathering around itself like that, all around, and I'm sewing those edges all together like that. Repeating same process, I'm rolling this gathering around itself like that and sewing those edges together, and again rolling this gathering together and sewing the last edges together. And the other corner, this one, I'm folding it like that to other edge and I'm sewing that corner to other edges. So it's nice and secure, looks like that. So it's secure all around. I'm cutting excess cotton off. And this is the back of my flower and this is the front of my flower. Next I'm using this satin ribbon which is 1 meter 30 centimeters by 3 millimeters. I'm burning edges on this satin ribbon, marking the center, so that's the center of the ribbon, applying hot glue at the back of this flower, and I'm gluing this center of this ribbon at the back of the flower like that. Next I'm using this felt fabric circle, applying hot glue on this felt fabric circle, and I'm gluing this felt fabric circle at the back of the flower so it hides all of the stitching, pressing it quite hard so it sticks well. And it looks like that. So this is the back of the flower and this is the front of the flower. And my flower choker is finished. And here it is. If you have any questions how I made this flower choker, please comment down below in a comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time. Love, Anita.